that sociology is nothing but it is a critical understanding which question everything and takes nothing for granted. It is not my own definition, but it is given in your NCRT. And this is a problem with, I think, majorly with UPSC aspirants, that they straight away want to have so-called handwritten notes, books available in the market. किसी ने टॉप किया है, किसी रीजंस के साथ टॉप किया है, उनके बुक्स मार्केट में है और हम उसको खरीदते हैं और हमको लगता है कि वही हम इजी वे आउट. नो, आई वुड से प्लीज रीड एनसीईआरटी, और एनसीईआरटी में भी आप कुछ ऐसे डेफिनेशन लिख लीजिए, उसको पॉइंट्स बना के, जो आप अपने आंसर्स में लिख सकते हैं. No one is interested, honestly speaking, in seeing the textual analysis of your understanding. What we have to understand that applied sociology, आपने क्या समझा है. 150 वर्ड में आपके 10 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, ओके, एंड देन 20 मार्कर्स और 15 मार्कर्स, उसमें आप 250 to 270 वर्ड्स लिखना होता है, आप लिख सकते हैं. एंड देन see, for 20 marker I believe that you should write 270 to 290 words, and for 15 it should be 230 to 250, something like that. Okay, so in this you just need to have simple understanding. Start with a common understanding, and this is a whole definition of sociology. It's a concept. This is what sociology is doing. And then you can quote thinkers, you can quote Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, and then in that you need to show. If you ask me that, ma'am, what is the best structure of an answer? Let's just say you got a question on discuss the nature of sociology and the meaning and the nature of sociology, something. So I would say that you say that sociology as youngest discipline, 1 point, question everything and takes nothing for granted. Okay, and here you can also use question social constructions, constructed realities, or you can also, for better term, you can say that sociology question in other, or I would just use one more thing. Simple, you can say, let me just show you that how you can have flow in your answer. You often hear, various educator, they say that in your answer there has to be flow, there has to be flow. Let me tell you what is flow. But before that, I'll explain you what you have to understand, strategy and tips. Social thinkers are the key in the paper 1 and also in paper 2. We are, as an examiner, I am really interested to know that how you have understood the thinkers, how they, how you have understood the thinkers, how they have, have the perspectives of understanding of society, and how do you relate with their thinking. So you need to quote various social thinkers, okay, in your answers. That this is the best strategy. And then focus on answer writing. It has to be interconnection or interdisciplinary, and then the current affairs. So let's just say, if I say, the way I've just explained you about that what is sociology. So whatsoever I've just said, you quickly have to come into answer writing, because it shows you reality, it checks you, it gives you a check that whether you have understood or not. So you can say that this is the way a flow comes in answer. Sociology questions everything and takes nothing for granted. Next will be in the correlation, and this is how flow comes in your answer. As rightly Berger and Luckman, Berger and Luckman advocating in their book Social Construction of Reality, Social Construction of Realities. As rightly Berger Luckman advocating in their book Social Construction of Realities that sociologists sociologist needs to uncover this these constructed reality, this socially constructed reality. Okay, so in this way you have just given a definition of sociology in a very rightly manner, and very quickly just underline this. Okay, social construction of reality, right? Berger and Luckman, and I can give you a guarantee that none of the aspirants or very few aspirants will write answers like that, because it is not coming from so-called UPSC industries book. Okay, so and then you just take what I have told you as a model and then invent your own thought process on it. Okay,